Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, yay! And we have a 2-layer to 3-layer cake depending on your situation. So let's talk to the 2-layer cake people first. Those are the women, Fly Babies, who have decided that they are not going to do things on Saturday in their home because they're going to do it all week long. Whether you're payroll or an at-home Fly Baby, you've decided and disciplined yourself and done it. It doesn't have to have been done perfectly, but it's done. So you've got a 2-layer cake today. First layer, 5 routines on Saturday. Morning routine for yourself, morning routine for your children. Now, I've talked to you in the past about making sure you make a plan for this day, because you may have things that you have planned out for the day. Maybe your children have some extracurriculars, maybe they're in ball or whatever, and you've got to have them at a certain time at that place, or ballet or whatever, gymnastics, swim team. So you've got to have a plan of what time to go to bed, to get up in order to do this, so you're not disappointed with yourself and wasting your Saturday. Nothing worse than a wasted Saturday. All right, so you're going to get up and do your morning routine, put your children through their morning routine. That includes the beds being made, yes, even on Saturday, and the bathroom looking good, and you're looking good. Breakfast is done, the kitchen looks good, the kids look great, their beds are made, yay. All right, now, next thing is our laundry. If you did laundry all week long, you may not have laundry today, so that could be eliminated. If not, you've got a little laundry, or maybe you have older children, 9 or older, and they can do their own laundry, and this is the day you've chosen, so you're going to have to oversee that a little bit. Not do it, oversee it. Third thing is paper. Paper every day except Sunday, because the mail runs every day except Sunday, and more paper clutter is coming into the house, so you need to get it out, okay? So paper, and if you have paper clutter in your house, you're going to work on that for just a couple of minutes, just an inch of paper plus your mail. All right, then the next thing is later on our after dinner routine and our before bed routine. That's it. Okay, the basic weekly plan is Family Fun Day. This is the second part of our cake. Have fun. Go have fun with your family. Get these things done in the morning and have fun. Yay you. Okay, if you elected to do your work on Saturday, some of your work on Saturday, because let's say you're a payroll Fly Baby and you just don't have time, or something came up this week and you're going to and you wanted to do it on Saturday, that's fine. Your 3-layer cake is the routines, which we just reviewed. It is it's Family Fun Day, so still save some time for that this afternoon for Family Fun Day. And then the third thing would be anything you didn't get done this week that you planned on doing today. Not all of the things that we're supposed to do during the week, but those 1 or 2 things. Maybe you elected to strip your bed and wash your sheets today. So that's happening as part of your basic weekly plan. Maybe you got the rest of it done. Maybe you didn't. Maybe you skipped vacuuming, so maybe you're going to vacuum today. You've chosen to do that. You're not catching up. It's a plan. There's a difference. If you maybe didn't get your grocery shopping done, or some errands run, so those things, try to get those done in the morning so you can really enjoy your day. And that's your 3-layer cake. All right, this is a great day. Make sure you plan for tomorrow. It's Sunday. Family Fun Day is today, but tomorrow is Renew Your Spirit Day, and that's equally important. So plan for that, review it, rehearse it, coach yourself up a little bit, and get that day set tonight. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day. Do your clutter checks, and always remember that you are beautiful.